Umayeni says that she regrets marrying Umusamseleko. She says that she wishes she could have stayed as a girlfriend. Maybe that would have made Umusamseleko not to change. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. We are still on Uthando Nestembo Uncut episode that played on the 5th of December. Yes, we saw, as always, Umayeni and Umusamseleko fighting over how they were ill-treating Uvuyokazi, and then we saw Umacele meeting up with a friend that used to date Musamseleko's cousin. That's how they've known each other, and then they became friends. So she was asking her that, how is your relationship with Umusamseleko for now, since we saw on season 8 you were not in good terms, because they had a huge fight where Umayeni said that Umusamseleko calls her delusional. And yes, we've seen also Umakhumalo saying that Umayeni, sometimes she'll say something and then she forgets it like it had never happened, like she's delusional. And Umusamseleko did say it again also, that Shivangati Uyidelulu. So that was a whole huge mess up that they had on season 8 when season 8 was ending. So right now Umayeni says that she feels like Musamseleko has changed a lot, like a whole lot. That's how she explains to the friend, saying that, to the producer, saying that yes, she does feel like Musamseleko had changed a lot after they got married. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe.